Okay, so I took this fuse out and because it's to my refrigerator, and I was gonna get a new fuse, hoping that maybe the fuse was just bad and that's why the fridge isn't working. No, so when I go to put the fuse back in, this sparks. And I Googled, should your fuse box spark? And then it says that the whole thing could be bad. So I'm gonna show you how it sparks. I am grounded here. Not that it matters because it'll just electrocute me anyways. The power is off totally from the grid. I'm still plugged into battery. That's how there's still a light there, but I'll go ahead and show you this. I know you guys are all gonna yell at me for doing this, but let's see. Look at the spark from down there. Ready? Here we go. See? Woo! Sparky. How to get that in there. Okay, I'm gonna post this if you have any suggestions as to what to do next, because I can't store any food. And I have been on non-perishables for about a week and a half now, which is fine. But I'd love to get my salads back, stuff like that. Am I gonna have to replace all the wiring? What do you think? What are your thoughts? Thanks.